I'm Gaozong. I do content at Visla, and I want to show you how I use our Visla teleprompter to record videos. I like to use the teleprompter when I have a lot of talking points and want to make sure I keep eye contact with the camera. Open up the desktop Visla app and click on Video Recording. Then expand the teleprompter and paste in your script or talking points. If the video is more casual, I'll sometimes just paste in the talking points so that I can reference them while I'm recording. Then set the speed and text size to fit your natural speaking cadence. As you can see here, I'm trying it out a few times to make sure that it works for me. Once that's all set, you'll hit record and get started. I love that our teleprompter sits at the top of the screen, which brings my eyesight closer to my webcam. When you have good eye contact in your videos, your viewers are much more likely to keep watching and engaging with your content. See how long you've been watching? I would recommend using Visla's teleprompter if you're recording how-to videos, long explainers, or personal introductions. Try it out and let me know what you think.